In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Ray-Ban Aviator lenses. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have Ray-Ban Aviators similar to these, you will have to follow a very straightforward process in order to change the lenses. For the tools that you might need, you will try to use a small Phillips head screwdriver or a micro screwdriver set. Optionally, you might want some warm water because for some plastic frames, warming them slightly can make the material more flexible, but if you have these made out of metal and they have screws, then you shouldn't bother with this part, and soft cloth if you want to protect the lenses. So the removal method depends on whether your Ray-Ban Aviators have screws or not. If they have screws, then you will need to open them up. I'm going to showcase what to do if they don't have screws later, but for models with screws that have these metal frames, locate the screws at the side and loosen them. Using your small screwdriver, carefully loosen these screws. You only need to loosen them a couple of times. You don't actually have to remove them completely. But if you remove them, make sure that they are nearby and you don't lose them. This will pop the lens out. So once you do this and they are loose, this frame will come apart like this, either on opposite directions or to the sides, which allows the lens to fall out. So once the lens slips out, you will be able to put the replacement in there. Do this with both sides or only one, depending on if it's damaged or if you want to replace both. And now, insert the new one in place of the old one. After it is inserted like this, you need to make sure that the frame is hugging it together. So you place the frame around it and you push it together. Once it is pushed together into place, you simply reattach the screw and harden it again. There's no secret to this. So it essentially clamps the lens in place. So you clean the frame, align the lenses, insert it, and afterwards you push both sides of the metal frame together with the screw. Finally, if you have Ray-Ban Aviators or glasses that don't have a metal frame, it's as simple as pushing it out. This might take a little bit of force, but just do it steadily, don't press on it too much, be gentle, and you will be able to get them out. Once they are out, you insert the new ones back in place. Warm water can help make the material more malleable. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Ray-Ban Aviator lenses. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.